Penneys says its clothes are made to last as part of its Primark Cares sustainability initiative, so the journal has put that claim to the test. Primark has its own durability standard. It's a wash test, meaning the clothes should hold up for at least 5 washes and ideally 23, 32 or even 45. We bought a basket of new clothes and washed everything 5 times as per the care labels. These jeans, after 5 30-degree washes, ended up a completely different colour. This cardigan wasn't even washed, just worn for 5 days, and it's already looking really worn and extremely bobbly. As for these cotton blend Kappa socks, they are faded and bobbly after 5 washes. But to be fair, some other items did perform well. One of them was this knitted jumper. It held its shape and colour after all 5 washes on a delicate cycle. It only lost a single thread. A big issue that keeps coming up is blended fabrics. Penneys uses a lot of these, including 50% recycled polyester. The catch here is that recycled polyester usually comes from plastic bottles, not old clothes. And once it's turned into blended fabric, it can't be recycled again. That means most of these clothes are destined for incineration or landfill. So yes, some Penneys clothes last the wash test, but some don't, and the sustainability claims behind them are a lot more complicated than you might think.